Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for October 6th to the 20th, for October 6th to the 10th. This is what we're still forecasting. Our flow will transition to more of a ridge in the west, troughing in the east. As we get to the end of the period, you can see our trough here. So the model is a good agreement with this. So the western ridge will continue to produce an area above normal temperatures over parts of the west and the plains. The trough in the east will bring a cooling trend, and the Pacific Northwest trough will produce some height falls in the northwest, bringing some precipitation to the northern parts of the region, and we'll take a look at that. Here's our trough coming in across the northwest. And then a front will be crossing Great Lakes in the northeast, bringing some more organized rainfall. You can see, here's our system here. And a front will be across Florida here. And also we're watching this area disturb weather down here in the Gulf for possible development. It doesn't look like it will be developed because the probability of development has decreased now since yesterday, but it would still have a lot of moisture. So deep moisture across this area along with a front will cause rain across this area. Most of the other regions should remain fairly dry, and we'll keep an eye on that. And we'll take a look at the satellite picture. Here's the area concerned down here, and you can see we still have, it's kind of elongated, almost looks like a frontal system. Here we have Hurricane Kurt. And then we have what's left of Isaac up here. And then we look like we have another wave moving off the African coast, and see how that goes in the next few days. Okay, we're going to look at the period for October 11th to the 15th. And little O, I'm trying to think of something. Okay, we're expecting a little change in the pattern. So we still have our ridge in the west, troughing here in the east. Miles good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for much of this region here. And I'm calling for anomalies to be about 8 degrees or more above normal here. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this region here. Probability occurrence is 45%, mainly across the portions of the Great Lakes region. Okay, we're going to look at the period for October 16th to the 20th. And the pattern remains pretty much the same, although a little more amplified compared to the last period. You look at the GFS, it brings a deep trough here into the east. Region here in the west builds all the way up into Canada. The other models show it, but not as extreme. So for this forecast period, calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomaly speed near 12 degrees above normal, mainly here. Below normal temperatures are forecast here, with anomalies like 2 to 4 degrees below normal. And excuse me. And for rainfall, still calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for October 6th to the 20th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.